गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। ध्यानम् अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अनिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। Last class we did about the Anahata Chakram, right? So it starts from Anahatabjanilaya Shyama Bhavadanadvaya Tamstrojjwalakshamaladi-dhara Rudhira Samsthita Kalaratriadishaktyaughvrita Snigdhaudhanapriya Mahavirendra Varada Rakinyamba Swarupini. So Amma's name is Rakini. So Lalita Devi is in the form of Rakini Amma, Amba, and she is taking care of the Rakta Dhatu. Right? We are learning about different Dhatu Devatas within our body. How Amma is present in different forms like Dakini Devi, Rakini Devi, and she is nourishing our Dhatus. We saw now two Dhatus. First one was Tvakstha. Tvakstha Pashuloka Bhayankari. But Tvak means she is in the skin. She is taking care of our skin Dhatu. That is Tvakstha. Next was, she was in the Rakta Dhatu. She is nourishing our Rakta Dhatu. Anahatabjanilaya Shyama Bhavadanadvaya Tamstrojjwala Kshamaladi. So whatever she is holding, Akshamala she is holding, Adi, etc. Rudhira Samsthita. Rudhira means blood. Okay. And she is surrounded by Kalaratri, etc. Adi means etc. So from Ka, many other 12 more letters. Ka, Kha, Ga, Ga, Gna, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jaini, Tha, Tha. So 12. So 12 petals chakra is the Anahata chakra. So 12 devatas are present in Anahata chakra. And that is why Anahata chakra is connected to Lord Sun also. Because Sun moves in 12 months, right, to different places. So it is connected to 12 months of Sun as well. And 12 letters, 12 sounds of Sanskritam. And the lotus, every chakra is visualized as the lotus. So here it is, the lotus is having 12 petals. So if you count, these will be 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The petals will be 12. Okay, in the Vishuddhi chakra that we saw, it is from A to Aha, right? A, I, E. So they will be 16 petal lotus. Now it was 12 petal. Okay, now next we will go to Manipuraka chakra. Any questions in these two that we learned? No? Okay, then we will move to the new one. Okay, who would like to volunteer with me?
Auntie, can I?
Okay, Akshaya, let's do. Manipurabjanilaya
Manipurabjanilaya, Manipurabjanilaya,
Vadana
Vadana, Vadana,
Trayasamyuta
Rayasamyuta, Rayasamyuta,
Vadanatrayasanyuta.
Vadanatrayasanyuta,
Yes. Once more.
Vadanatrayasanyuta.
See, this sum, this it is the anuswar, it is called like we say, right? Aha.
Yes,
So few people like there is a again rule in Sanskritam grammar. It can be pronounced as sam or sun also. Both can be sounded. So it is called anuswara rule. So when there is the ya sound, the ma becomes n sound. Means it gets deleted, not even in sanyuta. The sound gets deleted. Vadanatraya sanyuta. Ya sound will take over.
Okay, auntie. Vadatrayana sanyuta.
Yes.
Vadanatraya sanyuta.
Yes. Next. Vajradi.
Vajradi. Vajradi.
Kayudhopeta.
Kayudopeta. Kayudopeta.
Vajradikayudhopeta.
Vajradika yudopeta. Vajradika. Vajradika.
Wait, 1 second. See, we will split it like this. Vajra is a weapon. Vajra adi, etc. Adika. More. Ayudha are the weapons. So, ayudhopeta. So, Vajradika, ayudhopeta. Let us split like that. Vajradika.
1 second.
Vajradika.
Vajradika yudapeta.
Now, just say one word first, please. Vajradika.
Vajradika
Ayudhopeta.
ayudopeta.
Vajradikayudhopeta.
Vajradika yudopeta.
Okay, say again.
Vajradika yudopeta.
Damari.
Damari. Damari.
Adibhiravrita.
Abhivirhavrita. Abhivirhavrita.
Damaryadi.
Can you repeat it, auntie?
Damaryadi.
Damaryadi.
Once more.
Damaryadi.
Bhiravrita.
Virhavrita. Virhavrita.
Damaryadi bhiravrita.
Damaryadi virhavrita.
Vajradikayudhopeta.
Vajradika yudhopeta. Vajradika yudhopeta.
Damaryadi bhiravrita.
Namaste.
Damaryadi virhavrita.
Good. Raktavarna.
Raktavarna. Raktavarna.
Mamsanishta.
Mamsanishta.
Yes.
Mamsanishta.
Good. Raktavarna mamsanishta.
रक्तवर्णा मांसनिष्ठा
गुडान्न
गुदान गुदान
प्रीतमानसा
प्रीतमानसा प्रीतमानसा
गुडान्न प्रीतमानसा
गुदान प्रीतमानसा गुदान प्रीतमानसा
रक्तवर्णा मांसनिष्ठा
रक्तवर्णा मांसनिष्ठा
गुडान्न प्रीतमानसा
गुदान प्रीतमानसा गुदान प्रीतमानसा
समस्तभक्त
समस्तभक्त समस्तभक्त
सुखदा
सुखदा सुखदा
समस्तभक्त सुखदा
समस्तभक्त सुखदा समस्तभक्त सुखदा
लाकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी
लाकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी लाकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी.
Very good. So now here Amma's name is Lakini, right? First we saw Dakini Devi. Namaste Nana. First it was Dakini Devi, then Rakini Devi. Now we are seeing Amma is in the form of Lakini Devi. So Lalita Devi in the form of Lakini Devi is now nourishing our one more dhatu. Let us see which dhatu it is. She is Mamsanishta. The flesh. Our body has flesh, right? So Amma is nourishing this dhatu. So we all have good flesh and have good strength. And how she is? She is present at Manipuraka chakra. Abja means lotus. We have been seeing. So at Manipuraka chakra, the lotus present, that is the Manipura Abja Nilaya. She is located there at this place. And she is in the form of Lakini Devi. Then Manipura Abja Nilaya Vadanatraya Sanyuta. Vadana means face. She is having 3 faces. Traya means 3. She is with the 3 faces. Then what is she holding? She is holding Vajra weapon like Lord Indra, the Vajra Ayudham. So like that, few more Ayudas she is holding. Vajra Ayudhopeta, Damaryade Bhiravrata. So earlier, Devata had the energy surrounded were from Ka to Tha, right? 12 petal lotus. Now from after Ta, Tha, what comes? Da, right? Da, Dha. So from Da, Damari. So first starts with Damari Devi and then etc. So Damaryade Bhiravrata. So Damaryade Bhiravrata. And she is Rakta Varna. Rakta means red color. Varna is color. She is Mamsanishta. So she is controlling our flesh dhatu. And Gudanna Pritamanasa. So she likes the prasadam Gudanna. Guda means jaggery. We make, right? Bellamannam we say. Chakkar pongali. Sweet rice. Made with jaggery. So this particular Amma likes jaggery rice. Prita Manasa means she likes. Then Samasta Bhakta Sukhada. So she brings happiness to all her devotees, all the bhaktas. So Samasta means every devotee. Samasta Bhakta Sukhada Lakinyam Paswarupini. She is the Lakini Devi who is going to bring happiness to all her devotees. So Lalita Devi only is in the form of Lakini Devi, Amba Swarupini, Lakini Amba Swarupini, and bringing and energizing our flesh dhatu, nourishing her. Okay. Any questions?
No, auntie.
No. Okay, let me just check. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So here it is 10 petal lotus. Okay. So this particular lotus is at Manipuraka chakra, it is 10 letters. One from fa. So it starts from da, da, na, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, fa. Correct. Huh? So we have 10 lettered chakra at Manipuraka chakra. Let's just go and count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, perfect. Okay, so got it? So it starts from da letter at this chakra, the damari, right? Damaryadi bhiravruta. So it is surrounded by damari. So till the pha letter. Da, dha, na, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, fa. So till pha are the petals of this particular lotus. And these are all devatas. They are sound energies. So this chakra is surrounded with these sounds. So when we produce these sound energies, these are different devatas that help in bringing the sound. So these are not just letters. So whatever aksharas are there in our Sanskritam language or in our native languages, they're not simply just like alphabets, A, B, C, D. They are the energies. So when we bring out the sounds of our language, these devatas are getting activated and they nourish us. Do you see so much this significance they have? Correct?
Yes, Auntie.
Yeah, we need to realize the importance of our Sanatana Dharma, all our scriptures, our principles, various things mentioned in our Sanatana Dharma. Okay, so let us go once more. This Manipurabja Nilaya Vadanatraya Sanyuta. Amma is located at the Manipuraka Chakram, the lotus, and she has 3 faces. Vajradikayudhopeta. She is holding Vajrayudham and few more weapons. All devatas have here 4 hands. Okay, and Damaryadi Bhiravrata. She is surrounded by Damari Devi and other Devis, and 10 more. So 10 total Devis are there who are controlling this particular Manipuraka chakra. And she is Raktavarna, red in color, Mamsanishta. She takes care of the flesh dhatu and she likes the jaggery rice. Then she brings happiness to all her devotees in the form, being the form of Lakini Devi. Okay. All clear?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, perfect. Let us chant together all these 4 verses. Manipurabja Nilaya Vadanatraya Sanyuta Vajradika Yudhopeta Damaryadi Bhiravruta Raktavarna Mamsanishta Gudanna Pritamanasa Samasta Bhakta Sukhada Lakinyamba Swarupini. Anybody would like to chant individually? Okay, who is together you chant? Sri Harsha and Praharsh.
Manipurabjalaya Vadanatraya Samyuta Vajradika Adhyopeta Damarya Dibhahiravit Avrta Raktavarna Mamsanishta Udana Pritamanasa Samasta Bhakta Sukhada Lakinyamba Swarupini.
Very good, Nana. So good. It is Ayudhopeta. This part.
Okay.
Good. Anybody else? Nobody? Were they difficult? Very easy only,
I
right?
can go, auntie.
Okay, Anju.
Manirupa cha sorry. Manirupa
Pura. Manipura.
Manipurabja nilaya vadanatraya samyuta vajratika ayutopeta damaryaatibhiravrita raktavarna mamsanishta udanna pritamanasa samasta bhakta sukhada lakinyamba swarupini.
Perfect. Good. Okay. Anybody else? Sriharsh is again ready. Raising hand. Okay. If nobody, let us do our final prayers. अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करः प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवि नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्